Yeah! Hello friends, good morning and welcome back to a new vlog. It's been a while, it's been a huge while. I think my last video that I uploaded was about 6 months ago, which is absolutely crazy. Lots of changes have happened, so let's do a quick recap. Last time I filmed a vlog, I was pregnant. And by now our baby boy has already been born. He was born on the 23rd of March. And before that I also didn't really vlog that much because I was struggling a little bit mentally. I filmed a couple of videos here and there, but they never really made it onto my YouTube channel. It's really hard to be uplifting and happy in videos if you're actually not feeling that way, and I don't want my channel to be something negative or my videos to reflect me not being in the best mood, which is why I didn't really vlog. And then I gave birth to our baby boy Jack. He is now, tomorrow actually, he is 3 months old. We are now the 22nd of June. And I love him so much. Life has been so much fun since he entered into our lives, but at the same time those first couple of weeks were so heavy on us. I guess on a lot of parents, but yeah, those first couple of weeks, those were brutal. I don't get those TikTok moms that make these like a day in a life with me with my newborn baby and stuff like that. I didn't have the courage to do any of that, which is why then I also really didn't vlog a lot of videos, hence why it has been 6 months since I filmed a YouTube video. It is just now that I'm starting to get back into my like more regular routines, starting to be interested in the stuff that I used to be interested in. Yeah, the life of a new mom is a roller coaster, let me tell you that. But yeah, let me give you a quick rundown of how my birth story was. So I'm going to keep it very short, but we went in because my water broke at home. It was 2 o'clock in the morning or at night. I was having contractions, my water broke at home, so I took a shower. We took all of our bags and went to the hospital. I had contractions for a while, I had an epidural. Then I started feeling a lot of pain in my back, which the epidural didn't really help, like a lot of pressure. Then they noticed that he was looking, you know, upwards instead of down. So that was a problem. So they had me do like a lot of things to try and like turn him over. So I had to be on my like elbows and knees for a while, one leg in the air, then the other one in the air. They even put, I don't know what it is called in English, a catheter? No, a pee bag basically, to make some room in my bladder, which also didn't work. So after about 20 hours of being in a lot of pain, it ended up being a C-section. So he was born on the 23rd of March 2023 at 22 hours and 22 minutes, and he had to be in the NICU for 1.5 days. So yeah, it was a rough time. I stayed in the hospital for about 4 days, I think, before I was discharged. I can't believe it. He is almost 3 months old, which is absolutely crazy. He is actually at my mother-in-law's right now, because my boyfriend is having a very busy summer currently and my mom is on vacation right now, so I am taking care of him basically all by myself. But I am self-employed. Luckily I have someone to cover my actual shop, but I have a lot of work to do behind the scenes, like accounting and stuff like that, and I didn't really have the time to do so. I was getting stressed, which is why he is at hers right now, so I could do a little bit of work. But I will definitely continue to vlog the next couple of days, that way you guys can see him as well. I'm very excited to introduce him to you guys. Also, something that happened whilst I was away from YouTube is I started a new small business, Oak Candle Company. I make homemade candles and also like the actual vessels and home decor. I started it during the last stretches of my pregnancy to take my mind off everything. I actually filmed like me starting the whole process. but that also didn't make it onto YouTube. I also filmed a pack my hospital bag with me, which also didn't make it to YouTube, but I was thinking maybe I should still edit it and post it, and then at the end of the video I could tell you guys what I actually used and what I didn't use, or maybe if I forgot to add something on my list that I was like, oh yeah, I definitely should have brought. Let me know if you guys would like that. But yeah, this is already a very long intro. I just got out of the shower. Plans for today are I'm going to a friend's house to take some pictures of a new candle that I am launching, which is the Dog Mom candle, and she has a little puppy at home, so I'm going to take some pictures of the candle with them. I also would like to maybe film a couple of TikToks with some new makeup that I got, but we'll see. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, but yeah, very happy I got to update you guys on everything, or almost everything. I mean, there's a lot that has happened, but I'm going to start doing my makeup, I think. Alright guys, makeup is all done. I still have to apply blush, but that's something I'm actually filming a TikTok on. I'm filming a TikTok on the viral Dior blush, like the pinky one, and then also my Rare Beauty lip oil. Yeah, this one right here. But I'm still waiting on my hair to dry a little bit more because now it just looks greasy. I swear I just washed it, it's just not dried yet. But I also wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing on my lips, because how pretty is that? Also, don't mind my pimple on my chin. So it's actually a Dior lipstick in the shade Dior Vibe, which looks like this. Such a pretty color, I love it. But yeah, I'm going to wait for my hair to dry, film those TikToks, and then I also have a few PR packages that I wanted to unbox with you as well. Alright, so I just got done filming 2 TikToks. I filmed one on this Dior blush and then also on this Rare Beauty lip oil. This is what the products look like. So if you want to see those TikToks, I'll have my TikTok linked somewhere here on the screen. Definitely follow me there. As I mentioned, I have 2 PR packages that I wanted to unbox with you, so let's go. First package that I have is one from Pixi. They sent over a new skincare line. I always love their PR packages. Like, these boxes are so beautiful. And then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it comes with the Clarity Blemish stickers and then the Clarity Cica or Cica? I don't know. And Hyaluronic Complex Clarifying Mist. So this is definitely more for people that have some breakouts, maybe like combination to oily skin. These are like basically pimple patches. I've never tried these, but they look very exciting. So this is the first PR package that I got. And then our son Jack actually also got a PR package. So Lovevery, I think that's how you pronounce it, is a great brand. I purchased their like playmat from them, and I tagged them on Instagram, and they DM'd me asking if they could send over a play box for him. So they basically do play kits catered to the age of your baby. So this one is for 0 to 12 weeks, and it is called the Looker Box. So it says designed by experts for your baby's developing brain. What I love about this brand is that they really put a lot of effort and research into their products, and they always provide the parents with a ton of information on how you can implement this stuff into your baby's life and how it helps them develop their brain, their like motoric skills and stuff like that. So I am so excited about this box, and of course I'll show you guys how we use everything. But this is what the box looks like on the inside. So it comes with this little booklet that has all of the information on how you can incorporate all of these toys and what is important to like practice with your baby currently. So mine is in Dutch, but you can choose between a ton of languages. So it just explains everything and what your baby is currently going through, what they are learning. So it says here the first 4 weeks, then we have 5 to 12 weeks, the toys. So it shows you guys all of the toys and what they are meant to do. And then it also has a few like activity ideas, which I think is so cool because being a new parent, these kind of things can be very overwhelming. Like you don't know what your baby is supposed to be doing right now or what you're supposed to like exercise with them. So this takes all of the guesswork out of it, which I really love. So we have this colorful thing right here. Then we have, this is what it looks like. You can open it up completely. It has all these colorful stripes right here, which I'm pretty sure they're starting to see right now. And then in here, I'm guessing, I still have to read it, you can put these flashcards in. This is very handy to practice tummy time, for example. More toys, more toys, more toys. Then we have this thing right here. Black and white is something that they see very early on. A ball that makes some noise. So I quickly opened everything else up. It comes with some black and white mittens. Again, as I mentioned, these are the patterns and colors that they currently see, so that is so cool. And it also comes with a wooden book, again black and white. And then it also came with something for the parents, which I think is really cool. It's a mug that says the days are long but the years are short. I love that. So yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of research, read in this book, and then I'll show you guys how we implement everything with our baby boy. Alright guys, it is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I just got home from the photo shoot and look what was waiting at my mailbox. Oh my god. So yesterday I saw that Gisou released the honey infused lip oil, but the golden shimmer glow edition. The original one is my absolute favorite thing in the whole wide world. It is almost completely gone, so I picked up a backup, but I did manage to get my hands on this new lip oil. Look at that glow. I cannot wait to try this out. I just got done filming a TikTok on the new Gisou honey infused lip oil. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Hold on, this lighting is horrible. This is better. Not sure I see that big of a difference, honestly. Alright guys, excuse this horrible lighting, but I got my laptop right here and I'm going to do some computer work right now. So I'm going to edit the pictures that I just took of the dog mom candle, and then I also have a bunch of things that I need to do, like accounting wise and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to try to crank out a couple of hours before my mother-in-law drops off our little boy. I am looking forward to him being home. I've missed him so much, even though it was just for one night. I have missed him a lot, but it is nice to be able to get a lot of work done. So I'm going to crank out a couple of hours and hopefully get a lot done. I also made myself a cup of tea and I am burning my rose quartz candle. So I already tested out this candle, but I didn't test out the burn time. So each time I burn it, I have my stopwatch that is going, so that way I can calculate what the actual burn time is. But I think it will be almost 60 to 70 hours, which is really good if you ask me. Don't mind my hair, but I have been doing work for about 2 hours now, but I'm going to take a quick break to walk Alex before Jack gets here, and then try to crank out again as much work as I possibly can. Life with a baby is crazy. Come. Alright guys, excuse the hair. I don't know what this thing is doing here. But our little baby boy is home. This is Jack. So yeah, mom duties have resumed. His bottles are sterilizing right now. I am going to hang up all of his clothes. I still have some laundry to put away. Need to take off this makeup, so I'm going to wrap up now. Good morning, it is the next day today, and I don't know if I mentioned this yesterday, but I have a wedding to go to today, So I am currently doing my makeup for that. And today is also the 23rd, so that means my baby boy is 3 months old today. Time is flying by way too fast. So yeah, I'm just doing my makeup for the wedding. I'm not going to do anything super crazy because it is a really hot day today, and I have Jack with me, so I'm also on mom duty. And I'm also going alone because my boyfriend has to work today, so it is just going to be a little bit chaotic and hectic, which is why I'm not doing anything crazy with my makeup or my outfit. It's also just a daytime wedding, which is why I am bringing him, because I don't have a babysit right now, so he's going with me. It's a little bit far. It's about a 1.5 hour drive from here, so I'm a little bit in a rush, not going to lie. But yeah, going to finish getting ready, getting him ready, feeding him, and then I'm out the door. Is daar een Jackje? Ja. Ja. Maar vast hoor. Maak het maar vast hoor. Ja. Jackje. Jackje. Kijk. Jackje. Ja.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake